Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Snapchat account in 2020. Now if you head over to your Snapchat application and you go into your settings, you'll notice that there is no option here to delete your account or manage the deactivation or deletion in any kind of way. There's just like block settings and stuff like that. Now to access the setting to delete your account, it's actually done on a web browser, and you could do it on Safari or Google Chrome. If you're on Android or iOS, doesn't matter, it's the same process. So all you have to do this is head over to this website right here. It's accounts.snapchat.com. I'll have a link for you in the description if needed. But once you're over here, you want to go ahead and log into your Snapchat account. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. And then we just got to get through this CAPTCHA here. So I'll go ahead and click on these tractors. And then once you are logged in, you'll be brought with all these other options right here. So you just want to scroll down and click on delete my account. And then once you're on here, it's basically going to let you know that if you want to delete your account, you have to enter your username and password below and click continue. And it lets you know that your account will be deactivated, which means your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat for 30 days. But after the 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So this basically just allows you to be reassured that if you change your mind, then you'll be good to go if you just log back into your account. But anyways, all you have to do is put your username and password in here and click continue, and your account will be deactivated for 30 days and then deleted. I hope I was able to help you guys out with giving you an option and showing you guys how to delete your Snapchat. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.